Well, what have we here? What have we here? What have we here? Well, alarm bells go off when water is getting into your car and the carpets are wet. Needle, needle, needle. Woo, woo, woo. Alarm bells, yeah. Okay, maybe I need to practice. But anyway, the car's computer has filled up with water, and unfortunately, it's had a bit of a meltdown. So come with me now. I'll take you for a walk. We'll both get a bit of exercise, and I'll show you on a Suzuki what happens after a little while. The air conditioning vent pipe that vents water out to the road or your driveway actually blocks up, and then what happens is the water banks up inside the car, leaks down over the computer into the carpet, and the carpet gets wet. So the customer here has just had a container try to collect the water, and the carpet is wet, and the computer system is just under the dashboard. Consequently, you go to buy a new one. Well, they're $2,000 to $3,000. You go to get a second-hand one, and there's none about because it's a common problem, and they're all gone. Well, I'm a tenacious person, like a dog with a bone. I didn't let go, and so what I did was I found one. Yeah, I found one in a place where it's not very hot. Climate in Queensland, very warm, air conditioning's on all the time. I found one in a part of Australia where the climate's a lot cooler and the aircon's not on as much, so consequently there's a few second-hand ones there. See, there you go. Spread the word. First Class Brakes and Automotive will look after you. Gotta go. Take it easy.